The reason most people don't refer you isn't because they don't like you. It's because they don't know how. Want to make it ridiculously easy for people to send you business? Well, here's what to do. First, give them the language. Tell them exactly who you help and how you help them. Use real examples, not generic phrases like, I do estate planning. Second, make it memorable. A specific client story or niche pain point is easier to recall than your practice area. And then third is stay top of mind. Referrals come from people who remember you. That means staying visible, checking in, and adding value. Your network, they want to help you. Make it easy for them to say, oh, I know exactly who you need to talk to.